So this here is another cool feature that can be found on your Watch 6 or even your Watch 7. It's known as Knock Knock, and basically once you have it enabled, you can access certain features or apps instantly by performing this gesture. I'll show you where to go to find it. Let's do this. While viewing the clock face like this here, go ahead and swipe down from the top, going down, and tap on the settings icon right there. Once you do this here, you'll go down now and keep going down until you see buttons and gestures. Tap on it once, then you want to keep going down to the gestures section. Past the double pinch, you'll see shake to dismiss, and you'll also see knock knock. Once you enter here, you will tap on it once, it'll take you there, then you'll go ahead and turn it on. As you do this, you'll see select an option, and you can choose from any of these features, functions, or apps. And for me, I'm going to go ahead with the calculator as it is the rather more smooth way to access this feature here. I'll show you what I mean by that. So basically, once you're here, you can scroll down to see how it works. You can try it now, but because I have the calculator on already enabled, I'll go ahead and just come out of the screen here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and perform that double knock knock. So it's basically like a down, like nodding your head downwards twice. Instead, it's with your fist. So it's like a 1, 2, and you'll feel the vibration when it works. So it's 1, 2, and then when it works like this, it'll feel it vibrate. So this isn't really as successful as one would want it to be. And there you go, you got it. So it's gonna take some tries here, but once you get it, it's gonna work. 1, 2. There you go. So now it's working. Like and sub.